In the heart of southern China, where ancient rivers carve through emerald hills, a catastrophe unfolded. Floodwaters surged, relentless and unforgiving, swallowing entire towns in their muddy embrace. Landslides tore through the southwest, ripping homes from their foundations and shattering lives in an instant. This is the story of a nation grappling with nature's wrath. A story of loss, resilience, and the fragile balance between humanity and the planet we call home.
Several days of storms have already brought devastation to some Mid-South communities, killing and injuring multiple people and destroying countless homes and businesses. And the severe weather threat is not over. The National Weather Service office in Memphis has issued a flood watch through Sunday morning. Saturday could bring flooding to multiple parts of the Mid-South. A severe thunderstorm warning was issued for Memphis and Shelby County until 2:15 p.m. by the National Weather Service in Memphis. The warning was extended to 2:45 p.m. The storm could bring destructive 80 miles per hour winds. Quarter-sized hail and tornadoes are also possible. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order, NWS said in an emergency alert.
Rivers, once lifelines for communities, turned into torrents of destruction. Streets became canals, homes became islands, and hope seemed to slip beneath the rising waters. Guizhou, a province cradled by rugged mountains, bore the brunt of this deluge. The Duliu River, a quiet ribbon of water on ordinary days, roared to life, swelling meters beyond its banks. Entire neighborhoods vanished under waves of mud and debris.
Typically, emergency officials are reporting life-threatening water rises resulting in water rescues/evacuations, NWS states. As rain continues to fall in the Memphis area, the National Weather Service in Memphis issued a flash flood warning for the area. A tornado watch means the weather conditions could lead to the formation of severe storms or tornadoes. A tornado warning means a tornado has been spotted or indicated on radar.
over 300,000 souls, the floodwaters struck with a ferocity that locals described as biblical. Escalators in shopping malls turned into cascading waterfalls, their metal frames groaning under the weight of the deluge. Bridges, built to withstand decades of wear, snapped like twigs under the pressure of landslides triggered by the relentless rain. One resident, a baker whose shop was reduced to rubble, stood amidst the wreckage, his voice trembling as he spoke to reporters. This flood, it's taken everything. My shop, my scooter, my dreams. How do we start again? His words echoed the despair of thousands, their lives upended in a matter of hours.
The National Weather Service in Memphis said the Memphis area is under an enhanced risk for severe storms until 3 a.m. Sunday. The continued severe storms come after multiple days of rain and tornadic activity have hit the Memphis area. Storms have been hitting the Memphis area since Wednesday evening. Several rounds of heavy rainfall will move across the Mid-South through tonight, resulting in storm total amounts over 10 inches along and north of I-40. Isolated amounts of 15 inches are possible. This could lead to catastrophic flooding, the National Weather Service in Memphis said in a post on X. The National Weather Service in Memphis said tornadoes, damaging winds, and flash flooding are primary threats.
Wasn't confined to the rivers. In the southwest, the mountains themselves seemed to rebel. Landslides, fueled by saturated soil and torrential rains, thundered down slopes in Guizhou and Sichuan, burying homes and dreams beneath tons of earth. In Huadian, nestled in Jian, the ground gave way with a deafening roar. Entire families were trapped, their homes reduced to rubble in moments. Rescue workers, drenched and exhausted, clawed through mud and debris, racing against time to save those buried beneath. The air was thick with the cries of survivors and the grim silence of loss.
Large hail is a secondary threat for the Mid-South area. During a media briefing Friday morning, Tennessee Emergency Management Agency Director Patrick Sheehan warned Tennesseans not to let their guard down as storms and heavy rainfall continue through the weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest developments.